cleaning your CRM database isn't a one-time task. With new records entering your CRM daily from various channels, duplicates are inevitable. For sales reps, manually finding and reporting duplicate contact or lead records to sales managers via email can be incredibly time-consuming. Wouldn't it be great if there was a way to automate this process for your sales reps?
Let me help you. Now you can empower your sales reps to automate duplicate detection and reporting with DeDupeD. This data hygiene app seamlessly integrates with Dynamics 365 CRM to detect, merge, and prevent duplicates.
That sounds ideal. How does it really work?
In CRM, you can schedule a duplicate detection job to automatically run every month and detect duplicate contact records created throughout the month. Additionally, you can set the app to email you and other selected users with a link to the monthly duplicate detection report directly within your CRM. Automating duplicate detection and reporting will save salespeople time and effort. Ready to automate CRM duplicate data detection and reporting? Try DeDupeD today.